Okay, so this is our parts list for the class, and I just want to explain something to you guys. So at the top here, we have our absolute essentials. So SolidWorks for makers is usually $9.99. I'm working on getting a link for this right now, but when this class launches, uh, there will be a link made custom for just for me with a discount. So usually it's $9.99 a month. That link will bring it down to $7.99. If you're short on money, you could probably do this class in a month if you would just want to pay for it for 1 month. Um, but that's that. And then the Arduino IDE is what we're going to be programming in. So if you just click this link, you'll have to download this if you don't have it. Uh, Based on if you have Windows or Mac OS X, it's probably this guy for you. And then Kira, you'll need a slicer for your 3D printer. Hopefully you already have a slicer, but this is where you would download Kira. Kira is the slicer I use, and later in the class we'll talk all about settings and what's important. And then for like absolute essentials for electronics, you're gonna need the Elegoo starter kit, which is this that I've linked on Amazon and also directly on their website. Right now it's discounted and it's $35, but I've seen it go up to $49. So hopefully you guys could get it discounted as well. For the class, this kit is worth it because like an Arduino Uno on its own, if you just bought it at like Micro Center, is like $8 or $10. And then we're using the ultrasonic sensor, which is this guy. We're using this stepper motor. And the stepper motor board, which is this. We're using a servo motor, and then we're using the breadboard, the battery, this cable, and some of these jumper wires. I think that's it from this kit, but like that value is really good for what you're paying for. So this is the Elegoo kit that we'll be using. So that's this link, and then everything else I'm going to link here is just like stuff I'll mention in the course that but isn't absolutely necessary. Just beware, some of these are affiliate links. So what that means is it's not going to cost you any extra, but I might get a small cut of something if you purchase it, which helps pay for all of my like startup costs or whatever. So I've linked like all the materials I use that I discuss in the class. At a high level, this is the filament I use, so I'll order it in bulk. I'll order like 10 rolls at once because I print a lot. Maybe you don't print a lot and you don't need to do this, but if you order in bulk, you can get like $10, $12 rolls from Elegoo, which is awesome. And then if you don't have a printer yet, the Elegoo Neptune 3 is a great starter printer. It's a big competitor with the Ender 3. $200 is like can get you like a pretty good printer nowadays, and this is a great one. And then these are just the rest of the materials. So once you install SolidWorks, usually, the program will install on your desktop maybe, or like I'll go here and type in SolidWorks and be able to launch the software. For whatever reason, it's installed on your computer, but you need to like tap into their servers or whatever for it to launch. So all you have to do is there's a little icon right here called 3D Experience Launcher. I just click that, and then once you have SolidWorks installed, it should come up with a like dashboard like this. And you just click this big play icon, and then you click 3D Experience SolidWorks Professional. And then if you click this icon, so if you click that icon, it'll start launching SolidWorks on your computer. I don't know why they do it this way. Like, why they don't give you a local version? Like, it is installed on your computer, but for whatever reason, that's the way that you have to sort of sign into SolidWorks. It's a little confusing and annoying, but it gets the job done. But it's weird because like it's not like a cloud-based software like some other softwares. Like you can save locally, and I show you how to do that in the course. But for whatever reason, like starting up the software, you have to go through the 3D Experience Launcher. All right, see, so now you got SolidWorks for Maker open. Your license is verified or whatever, and you should be good to go.